Well, the 9 was the Model Y, but it's not getting tint any longer. It's just getting PPF.
So then I can start doing that beat.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
What are you eating?
Yum yums.
Yeah, did you see he cut that pipe yesterday?
The dangler.
The dangly boy is gone. This is my my brother's shirt from when he used to work at Blackout. It's a good old hand-me-down.
That's a classic.
I know I'm about to get yelled at by Mark.
This is why we can't have nice things. Where's it broken at?
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Just wrap around it temporarily.
Jill put a hole in his finger? No, there's no correlation whatsoever. You know how I know? Because that's our 3rd hose, and the other 2 hoses broke before we had to take out that switch.
Yeah, that doesn't help. The fact that that's running.
There's no correlation because we had broken hoses before that happened.
Yeah, but this doesn't help. And then everybody drives over it. I mean,
I'm not saying it's beneficial. I'm not saying it's beneficial. I'm just saying we had broken hoses before the switch thing happened.
Yeah, but that doesn't help.
The fact is,
This part in here, Austin.
Only do things that help.
Yeah, this makes no sense.
No.
How can you even?
This part exists.
Yeah.
That's all I
Why
hear.
don't we buy it?
Because it doesn't exist any longer.
Austin, does this part exist?
It is the same part.
It's the same part.
The SKU number yields no results.
No, that's what happens. It's the part that he found is the updated part to this. They still make it.
I don't think so.
100%.
I don't think so. And not only that, why did the hose break before we took out that switch?
Because it's keep driving over it.
Okay, so then that's the reason.
And not relieving pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, and they don't relieve the pressure.
Or is that E?
Do we have electrical paint?
Who's right?
I'm always right. Even whenever I'm not right, I'm still right.
Oh, yeah. First floor, lingerie, ding. I mean, this isn't going to be a fix, but this will just be so it doesn't...
So how about Ian lost the drill? So his punishment is he has to just use a ratchet for 2 weeks.
Why did he lose a drill?
He just can't find it. I think he left it in the car, but he won't admit to it. So I said, I'm not buying you new one for 2 weeks. You have to use a ratchet for the next 2 weeks.
Unless they have a charger, it's no use to them.
Oh, come on. You're getting a charger.
$10 over
Yeah.
$100 drill.
Yeah.
Tell me this. Would Mark be buying a new charger?
No, because like new chargers aren't that cheap.
I'm buying a new charger.
Yeah.
I'm cheap. I'm doing it.
What's going on over here? What's this guy doing?
Well, I can show you where it was.
You going to scrap it?
Goddamn right. He's gonna get like 7 cents from that, and Mark couldn't be happier.
I said, you didn't film my repair. Look at that. The hose ain't... We don't even need to get a hose. Look at that. 5-second repair. What was that line from Red Green? Oh, yeah, you remember? See, I fixed that hose. So remember, if the women can't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
And whenever you fold the mirror, it springs back. So I had to take the springs out with a pick, or a hook pick, and I was pulling it out, and the pick, like, didn't grab the spring, came back and went into my thumb. I felt it in my thumb.
How far?
It's probably a good couple millimeters.
Let's see the damage. Does it feel warm?
It's very tender.
Top of it looks infected. Or is that just how your thumbs look?
It's just how my thumb is.
Back in the old day.
What is your gamer tag, dude?
My gamer tag is
Yeah.
Steve Ludd.
Steve Ludd?
Yeah. I go hard on Siege.
What's going on with that green car in the parking lot?
Nothing much.
Just hanging around.
Hanging around.
What's for lunch today?
Uh-huh.
What's for lunch today?
We got a lot of choices. It could either be Taco Bell or Sheets. We had Sheets yesterday.
You want any Old Bay? Does Sheets have Old Bay as their seasoning option?
On something.
Wait a second.
After hours use.
He's allowed to play his big boom box after hours, but you can't play yours during hours.
Yeah, right.
Do you understand? Why?
Why?
Why? Because there's nobody filming, right? Say yes.
Yeah. Disturbing customers.
Oh, okay. Disturbing customers.
I mean, when you walk into a company and you hear some bad words and like
Yeah. Okay.
songs about like, you know, like, am I in the right place?
Yeah. I agree with that statement. I agree with that. But you are a fan of the razor blade in the mouth, right?
Yes.
I've never seen other tinters do that. I feel like that's your like, that's your call sign.
What's that? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm still on DVE, which is hilarious because I roast them every time I'm on there because they'll post articles like, be careful when you go traveling, like check under your mattress. And I'm like, why? Is like WDVE under it? Like,
He's the biggest Facebook troll. He's like a 70-year-old grandma.
Wait. Why did you get banned?
oh, from PXI?
Yeah.
Hey.
What you got for me? Thank you. How do we end this episode with something good?
What do you mean something good?
It's 10:24, so I don't want to say they should have their menu posted, but what was it? Yesterday they had their menu.
Who, me?
Is your name John?
Hold on a second.
Oh, they don't have their menu posted.
Oh.
I think. Based on the label, so it's from Monarch Trophy Studio. It's addressed to the Pennsylvania Dealer of the Year. With the big sheep. Yeah. I'm gonna cut my finger open though. I don't know. It's not a false
Guys, he had the biggest set of scissors ever, but decided to rip it open with his hand.
Uh-oh. Is this it? 4 years in a row. Shout out to the crew.